Hi guys, today we would like to introduce you to a revolutionary concept that is reshaping the landscape of e-commerce, dropshipping business using Shopify. We will be covering the concepts of dropshipping, Shopify, and how anyone could start a business with just a few clicks. Wait till the end as we are going to give a demo. Starting with what is dropshipping? Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the product it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the consumer. Here's how it works. Instead of purchasing and storing products upfront, the dropshipper partners with a supplier who stocks the items. When a customer places an order, the dropshipper forwards that order to the supplier who then ships the product directly to the customer. One of the key advantages of dropshipping is its low barrier to entry. Unlike traditional retail models that require significant upfront investment in inventory, with dropshipping, entrepreneurs can start their business with minimal capital. Moreover, dropshipping offers unparalleled flexibility and scalability since you don't have to deal with inventory management or fulfillment logistics. You can focus your time and resources on marketing and growing your business. This is about dropshipping. Now let's understand what Shopify is.
Imagine having a virtual mall at your fingertips, where setting up shop is as easy as a few clicks. That's Shopify, a complete commerce platform that lets you start, grow, and manage a business. With Shopify, you can establish and personalize your own online store, retail across various platforms such as the web, mobile, social media, online marketplaces, physical stores, and temporary setups. And finally, efficiently oversee products, inventory, payments, and shipping logistics. Shopify operates entirely in the cloud and manages hosting, alleviating concerns about software updates or server maintenance. This flexibility enables you to manage and operate your business virtually anywhere, including on your mobile device. Creating a store on Shopify is a breeze. There are two simple steps. Step number one is creating a store. So you can simply start by signing up on the Shopify website by giving some basic information about you and your business. Now that you've set up your store, the next step is to list your products. Here, you will fill in details such as product name, description, price, and images to create listings for your products. You've now set up the main bit. Let's delve into how you can decide which products to select.
When choosing a product to sell, it is essential to consider several factors. First and foremost, capitalizing on current trends can give your product an edge in the market and attract a large audience. Use tools like Google Trends, Amazon bestsellers, and social media platforms to identify trending products. Look for products that aren't easily available in the market. This could include a niche item or some unique product. Additionally, consider products that prompt impulse buys. These are items that consumers may not necessarily buy but are drawn to purchase due to their appeal and utility. Focus on products that offer great utility and solve specific problems for your target audience. The more value a product provides, the more likely it is to succeed in the market. In case the product is not unique, prioritize high quality customer service. Fast delivery and prompt resolution of grievances can enhance the overall customer experience and foster loyalty. Lastly, target your consumers based on demographics such as age, location, and lifestyle. Understanding your target audience allows for tailored marketing strategies. Social media marketing is a powerful tool for reaching your target audience. Utilize platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter to showcase your product and engage with your customers. Build a community around your brand. Consider paid advertisements to expand your reach and drive targeted traffic to your product. Platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads offer sophisticated targeting options to reach specific demographics. Leverage SEO techniques to optimize your store. Effective strategies for search engine optimization will drive organic traffic. Now we will look at the costing that is incurred during dropshipping.
So the first cost is product cost. This is the cost you pay to your supplier for each product you sell. It's essential to negotiate the best prices with your suppliers to ensure competitive pricing for your consumers. Shipping cost. Determine the shipping cost for each order. This can vary based on factors like shipping method, package weight, and destination. Third one being the transaction fees. Consider any transaction fees incurred through payment gateways or platforms like PayPal, Stripe, or credit card processing fees. These fees largely range from a fixed percentage of transaction value plus a flat fee per transaction. Fourth one being the market and advertising costs. Factors in expenses for advertising your product to attract consumers. This include costs for social media ads, Google AdWords, influencer marketing, or any other promotional activity. Fifth one being the website costs. Include expenses related to hosting, domain registration, website design, and maintenance. If you're using e-commerce platform like Shopify or WooCommerce, consider their subscription fees and any additional app plugin costs. Last one being the return and refunds. Allocate a portion of your budget for handling returns and issuing refunds to customers. This may include return shipping costs and potential losses from refund or damaged items.
So after getting the store on Shopify, the next step is to import our products. So I'm going to be drop shipping from AliExpress, which is the most popular place to drop ship products from. When you drop ship from AliExpress, you can use called Deezers, which makes things a lot easier. This allows you to simply import a product from AliExpress to your Shopify store. And then it also makes fulfilling our orders a lot easier once you start getting sales. Simply click on try it free over here. Then you can create an account with your email and password and click on create account. Now we can link our Shopify store by clicking on Shopify right here. And that will take us to the Shopify app store where we are going to install the Deezers AliExpress dropshipping app. Here simply click on add app and then make sure that this is our Shopify email address that we have just used to sign up for Shopify. And then click on yes. Click on install app right here. Then we are going to have to choose a plan for this app. And I am to go with the basic plan, which is free. So I'm going to click on get started right here. Now we are going to click on AliExpress. So now we need to connect our Deezers app to AliExpress. If you already have an AliExpress account, you can sign in right here. I'm going to click on register, then create a new AliExpress account right here. Then we are going to click on authorize. Now we can start importing products by clicking right here. Then we can simply skip the tutorial, which I'm going to tell you as my project. Everything you need to know. Now we also need to install the Chrome extension for Deezers. So we are going to click on home here on the top left. Then add to Chrome extension. And then we'll add the Chrome extension here to browser. Now we can see on the click on the puzzle and then make this pin icon blue right here. And then we can always see the extension here on the top. Now we also need to log in onto our Deezers account. So we are going to click on Deezers right here. That will take us to the home page, and then we are going to click on login, and that should automatically connect to a Chrome extension for Deezers account. So once that is done, we can go back to AliExpress page where we are going to drop ship the product from. And as we can see at the bottom, we have a new button that said add to Deezers, which is we are going to use to import our product to Shopify. So before I want to quickly show you that here on the top of your extension, you can also make some options. So here for the option, we're going to leave this at all for the shipping methods. If you're going to see another country apart from the US, also you can country right change here. If you want to sell in the United Kingdom or you want to sell in India, and then you can also change your currency over here. So for UK, it's GBP. And then you just need to click on update settings. But currently, I'm going to use the United States option and you do USD and then update settings. And then I want to go to my page again just to make sure that the import button works. And now I'm going to click on add to Deezers here on the bottom. And now it will import my product to my Deezers account. So now we can go back to our Deezers dashboard and click on import list here on the left side. And now we can see our product is on import list where we can push it to our Shopify store. But before going to do that, we are going quickly on the edit product and then make only import variants that we actually want to sell on our store. So here we are going to click on variants where you can see this product comes in 4 different colors: white, green, blue, and pink. So for example, if you want to sell the green version, and we could simply delete all other versions right here, and then it would only import the one variant. So I want to sell all the variants right here. So I'm just going to leave it as it is. We can also click on description and make sure we delete everything that we don't want to import. It doesn't really matter because we're going to change everything manually anyway later. On when we create the product page, and then we also have images, so we can just select all the images you want to import to your Shopify store. And then also what's important is to click on shopping info to make sure the product actually ships to that country we want to sell in. That if we sell in India and it's not selling in India, it's of no use. So I'm going to stop United States over here and then click. And I see that delivery time is not that great, which is usually with the dropshipping products. I might be able to find this product with another provider, such as CG Dropshipping or SandDrop or Spocket, which are the various dropshipping automated tools, Zen Drop, or so you can see on the screen over here. And but I want to test this product first with some ads and make sure the product actually works in the market before I spend some finding a good supplier. I'm making sure the shipping times are as low as possible. So that works fine for me right now. We are going to the imports saying 26 days, 59 days. DHL is dating 11 days. So I'm going to click on save, and then we are going to click on push Shopify right here. Here we are going to tick publish to online store, and then we're going to click on push to Shopify. Now we go to back to our Shopify store, click on products, and then we can see